Hi guys, welcome back to another video with Jessie. Yay! And today I'm gonna be creating this look. Super glam, bold lip, sparkly, smoky eye for Valentine's Day. And it's just gonna grab everybody's attention because it's so dramatic but yet so beautiful. So if you want to see this look, keep on watching. Hi guys, so I already did my foundation and my brows, and I'm using Benefit Cosmetics Cut Brow in the shade number 4, and I am gonna go in with Milani foundation, Sand Beige and Medium Beige, and the concealer from Tarte, Medium Neutral. So I'm gonna take my eyes, and I'm gonna go in with my Airspun and set my eyes before I apply any colors. So I'm going to go in with the Soft Glam from Anastasia Beverly Hills, and I'm going to mix in orange soda and burnt orange into my crease and use this as a transition shade. Then you just want to buff it all in. And then I'm going to go in with this shade called Sienna. And this one, I'm going to keep buffing it in like right below the transition shade and above the crease, like right out in the middle, and just keep buffing it in until the color that you like. So I like this dark brown rich color, and I'm gonna go in back with orange soda and burnt orange and blend everything out. So you want to blend everything, and then you're gonna go in with Mulberry, and you're gonna focus this on the outer corner V just to give it more depth in your makeup. Once you go in with your black, it will look smokier, and you just want to blend. And I'm not gonna grab no extra products on the brushes, and I'm just going to blend. This is what is gonna make your look, blending. Then I'm gonna go in with Newer. It's this black shade right here, and I'm gonna focus this right where it creases and 2/3 of my eyelids where my lashes are, and really focus that on there, and just blend and make it smoky. And just I'm just blending, girl, blending the shit out of my eyelid. So we're gonna blend and until you like it, until you know, okay, this is enough fucking blending. Like, damn, bitch, how much blending are you gonna do, right? So just blend the shit out of that black and every color that you use. Then I'm gonna, like I said, blend the shit out of the rest of the colors, and make sure everything that is smooth and no hard edges. So I'm not grabbing extra product, I'm just blending, like, yes. And then this bitch is blending again. Okay, now that I like it, I'm gonna do a cut crease, and I'm gonna use glistening to apply it after I do the cut crease. So right where your eye creases, you can do it right there and cut the crease, or you could look up, like put a little dot and look up, and wherever it touches your concealer, do a full circle, and you could cut your crease there. So I'm just setting it with glistening, and I'm gonna blend everything out so there won't be no harsh lines. Then I went in with a fluffier brush and blended, make sure there's no harsh lines, and just blending the shit out of my eyelids, because why not. Then I'm gonna use this gel eyeliner from Pretty Vulgar, and I'm gonna try not to fuck up my eyeliner, but thank God the tape is gonna help. And I'm just gonna make it really thin, going in right into the inner corners of my eyes. I'm just making it really, really thin, and then thicker at the end. Not bad. Then I'm gonna set that with a black shade Newer from the Anastasia Beverly Hills palette, and I'm gonna set that gel eyeliner. It's fine, you don't have to set it, as my preference, it just makes it even more darker, and it blends in with that smoky edge look. And then I'm gonna go in with this gold NYX glitter, and I'm gonna grab my lash glue, And I am gonna apply it right where I cut the crease, because I want that shit fucking glowing, be glittery as fuck. Like hello glitter gods, can you see me? And I'm gonna apply the glitter, and it's just gonna stick where I applied that lash glue. Like, I'm loving it so far. Yay. And that was my happy dance. And we're gonna remove this fucking tape and conceal all my dirty secrets. And I'm just playing. Just concealer, gonna blend it, buff it in, and I'm gonna use my airspun and set my makeup. After we're done blending, we're gonna focus on our bottom lash line, and I'm gonna grab orange soda and burnt orange, mix those shades together, and buff it under my waterline. Then I'm gonna go in with mulberry, and I'm gonna buff that in as well. And then I'm gonna grab that black shade, and really focus that like right tightly below that water line, not on it, just really tightly close to it, and blend everything out. Then I'm gonna go in with my Becca Cosmetics, and I'm gonna use Champagne Pop, and it's broken. How sad. And I'm gonna grab the setting spray from Tarte, and I'm gonna spray my brush, and I'm gonna highlight the high points of my cheekbone, and I'm gonna highlight my upper brow above my brows, and I'm gonna highlight my nose and chin and my cupid's bow. Highlight, so the gods can see me glowing from outer space. Like, can you see me? And then I'm gonna use that same champagne highlighter, and I'm gonna do it in the inner corner of my eyes and on my brow bone. Go in with a bold lip or a nude lip, and I'm first gonna outline my lips because this girl can't stay within the lines, always draw outside the lines. So nude lip, you can do this, or bold lip red, and I'm gonna use the Melted Matte liquid lipstick from Too Faced in the shade Lady Balls, and this beautiful blue tone red lipstick, and this is my favorite shade. Then I'm gonna go in with this orange shade from Jeffree Star. It's in the shade Anna Nicole, and I'm gonna apply that in the center of my lips and blend it out with my finger. And then I'm gonna grab my concealer and fix all the mistakes that come out of my mouth. And I'm playing where I fucked up. And then we're gonna go in with some lashes. So I ordered these wispy lashes from Amazon. I'll leave the link below, but I'm gonna go in and tighten my waterline with that gold bronzy color, and I'm gonna wait till these wispy lashes to get tacky and apply them on my lashes, and boom. So far I love this look, how it's turning out. Too fucking cute. And I'm gonna use It Cosmetics mascara, and I'm gonna apply it in my bottom lash line, and on my upper lashes I'm gonna blend in my natural with the fakies, and trying to blend it as much as possible so my fake lashes look real as fuck. And I'm gonna set my makeup with this Tarte setting mist, and set the shit out of my face and fan dry it, fix my hair. I ain't got time to style it, but if I would do it wavy hair. But I love this look. It looks so glittery and smoky and bold, dramatic. Like, can the gods see me? But this is a finished look, guys. Yay, we finished. So hope you like this video, and hope you like this look. Love it. Like and subscribe, and see you on the next video. Bye.